Tough day for a lot of us in the community, remembering April 27th. The good news is the weather is going to be pretty quiet for today.
Yes, we do have a couple rounds of storms ahead and looking for some beneficial rain.
Yes, we desperately need that. We do have our first round of storms coming in, but likely before daybreak tomorrow. So let's kind of get into it and time some of these storms out for you. Now this morning as you head out the door, we've got some sunshine, a few clouds in the area, temperatures that are currently in the 50s and 60s for a lot of us. 65 degrees currently in the Birmingham area, and we'll climb into the 80s again today, so it's going to be another warm day. And the wind is going to pick up today too. Winds will likely be sustained around 15 miles an hour, but could gust 20 and 25 miles per hour. So pretty quiet weather during the day. Once we get into the overnight period tonight, that's when we're expecting kind of our first batch of showers and thunderstorms. And I think most of these are going to remain below severe limits. Round two will come Tuesday evening into Tuesday night through Wednesday morning. And there is the threat that a couple of those could be severe. And then round three will be Wednesday afternoon and evening, mainly for our southern counties. And a few of those storms could be strong or even severe as well. What about hazards over the next couple of days with some of these storms? We think wind, locally strong or damaging winds, and hail will be the main hazards. Of course, some heavy downpours. The tornado risk is pretty low for us, but it isn't non-existent, so it's something that we'll have to continue to watch pretty closely. You'll notice as we show you rain totals, I think on average we probably get about 1.5 to 2.5 inches, which is certainly much needed and will be beneficial. Now, our first Storm Prediction Center outlook, this is for late tonight through Tuesday morning, and you can see a very low end or a level 1 out of 5 risk for some of those overnight storms. So we're pretty dry today, and then as those storms start to roll in early tomorrow morning, the commute tomorrow is going to be wet and messy, stormy at times, but I think the risk for severe tomorrow morning looks pretty low. That may change though, Briley, as we head into Tuesday afternoon and then into Wednesday as well.
Okay, you said it. We're not looking for widespread severe weather, but we do have a couple of windows where we'll be watching storms very closely. Tomorrow afternoon and evening with a little bit more instability as a front is moving through the state and ample wind shear. There could be some storms that reach severe limits and maybe exhibit some brief rotation, but again, we're not looking for widespread severe weather. There's a slight risk that does include Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Calera, Gadsden, Jasper, Coleman, Hamilton for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and then the marginal risk is shifted a little farther south. And we encourage you not to get too fixated on these maps. They change, but just outlining that a couple of severe storms are possible. So tomorrow morning wet, we're fast forwarding here with the second round of storms through tomorrow afternoon. There could be some scattered heavy downpours around lunchtime, but I think we'll get a break in the rain through early afternoon tomorrow. And then it gets closer to dinner time and we've got more storms moving in, very heavy rainfall with these, frequent lightning. Those shift off to the east and then another batch coming in for late Tuesday night through midnight into early Wednesday. And this is when we're looking for the beneficial rainfall. There will be some very heavy downpours and embedded thunderstorms within this. You can see it's a widespread soaking rain through early Wednesday morning. Additional storms possible Wednesday afternoon. I think a lot of those end up south of I-20 as that front continues to push to the south, but there could be some storms maybe on the stronger side Wednesday afternoon. Those are our impact days. Just highlighting Tuesday really quickly to set you up here. Wet in the morning, drier through the afternoon, but then more storms move in by tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. We'll be here tracking it all. Back to you.
We're still tracking light traffic